For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can add languages to your LinkedIn profile using your laptop or PC. First step, open a web browser on your laptop or PC and search linkedin.com. Once LinkedIn is open on your search tab or your web browser, make sure that the correct profile is logged in. Loading might take a few seconds, so remember to be patient all the time. Once you're here, locate and press the Add Profile section button, which is just beside Open to and More. When you press the Add Profile section, you'll see different categories and characteristics that you can add to your profile, such as core, education, portfolio, projects, and many more. Under Additional, press Add Language, and here you can write and select what language you are speaking or writing. You can also edit your proficiency in that language. Say, for example, elementary proficiency, full professional proficiency, and many more. And that's how easy you can add language on your LinkedIn profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.